The Noozle3D launcher level is an amazing product that allows you to predict your launch angles before you make them. It comes in 2 different styles and 3 different level colors. The first option is the side mount. This attaches to the side of your launcher out of the way of your grip and is the only option that allows compatible access with the Battle Pass. You can still snap on the Battle Pass and have it be worry-free using your launcher level. The second option is the top mount. This is for people that don't use battle passes and want a more compact setup for your launcher level. The installation of the level is identical for both models. Starting with the side mount, align the level into the opening. Lightly press in one side of the level while applying force to the other side of the level. Bend the attachment around the level. It is made out of a flexible and durable TPU, so don't worry about it flexing or breaking during installation. Each Beyblade X winder has a segment on either side of the launcher. It doesn't matter which side you use, but these segments are crucial to using your launcher level. Make sure to attach the level all the way until this piece snaps over the side of the launcher. With that, your side level is now attached securely. Moving on to the top mount, align the level with the opening in the attachment. Lightly insert one end of the level, applying pressure to the other end, bend the attachment around the level. It is also made out of a flexible and durable TPU, so it will not break during installation. The top mount takes advantage of a different mounting system. Looking at the launcher, all of them come with these 2 tabs at the top of the launcher. This is also used to mount the Battle Pass, so you cannot use the top mount with the Battle Pass. You will be using these openings on the level attachment to secure it to the launcher. Line up one of the openings with the pin on the launcher. Firmly insert it, and it should look something like this. Repeat this process with the other opening on the attachment and the other pin. Your top mount level is now securely installed. With any further questions, please email support@noozle3d.com.